you, then I'll be right there. Let me come check you, my baby. No time, no.
Today guys, I have a silk bun tutorial for you. Tutorial on natural hair. I don't know what my hair type is. I don't know whether it's a 4C, a 4B, a 3C, or whatever the heck it is. I have no clue, but all I know, my hair is natural. And yeah, I decide that I'm giving my hair a little bit of a break in between to do some videos, because I do actually give my hair a break. And when I do, I generally would put my hair up like this, as you guys can see it. Yes, so my hair is, and this is of 2 years of hair growth. This year actually would make it, the end of this year will make it 3 years since I've been growing my hair, and I have big chop twice. So I've cut my hair twice since then. So I wanted to come and show you guys. I have not done a silk, I have not done a my hair in a bun, a natural hair in a bun, for a long time. So I wanted to show you guys how I did do mine when I used to do my hair back in the days of going to school, when I used to do my hair up in one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Let's get into it. You can see I got my hair out. I'm just going to start parting it because it is a mess. I just took it out of braids. So yeah, today's supposed to be my wash day, but I am going to put it up in one. I haven't put up my hair in one, do a silk bun in a long time. So let's try and see if I remember how to do one. It's been a while since I've done a silk bun on my natural hair, but as you can see, I have pre-parted my hair. Yeah, don't watch the white flakies. My hair is dirty. So it is dirty, but I'm going to try and see if I can do this. So I've pre-parted it. So I'm just gonna go in and do this, and I'm going to comb out the back. So I'm gonna have to do this in section. As you see, like, my hair has a whole lot of volume. Yes. So I'm going to do a silk bun on natural hair, or maybe I'll do a silk ponytail. So depends on what I feel like when I'm done. So I'm just gonna go in with my Got2 styling gel. I don't know where my other gel is, so this is what I'm going to use for now, and hopefully it works. And I'm just going to start. So I know I'm probably gonna have to use a lot just to actually get this slick down the way I want it to slick down. So I might have to do it into section. So let's get into this video, guys. So I'm gonna slick down the other side. All right.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away.
So I am finished. Well, I'm gonna put this on and give it 10 to 15 minutes to dry, and then I will show you what it looks like afterwards. And I'm just gonna take something silk and tie it down because you want it to set. So I'm gonna tie it down and let it set, and then yeah guys, I will be back when it is all set and looking good to show you guys. So when it's all set, I will come back and show you guys, and I will puff out my bun. So yeah, so in the next 10 to 15 minutes I will be back and show you guys what it looks like when this bad boy is set. So it's been 15 minutes. I just literally left my hair, forgot about it, and I'm going to take it down and I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so there you guys have it. Oh my goodness, I have not done my hair like this in ages. So what you want to do, if you have a pick, you can just fluff it. So I don't know where my pick is, so I'm just going to use my comb for now, and then I'm just going to, because I want my back to be poofy, so I'm just gonna comb through the back. There is the look guys, and that's what it looks like. And then I got the puff in the back, and yeah, so that is just a quick simple updo. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and your girl will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.
Tell you over talk and over dress and over sleep with no one to elevate them, feeling them alone for do it big.